Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Pisces. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. I'll be picking few cards from each deck, guys. Let's see what's coming up for your daily energies and for your love energies, Pisces. Eight of Cups, Eight of Wands, Queen of Wands, Fool, okay, Queen of Cups. Pisces, this relationship is moving forward, guys. That is the energy I'm getting here. You're working fast. There may be what to say. You may be getting engaged, okay, and you're going in for a very soon wedding, okay, maybe in a short notice, maybe within a few days, okay, and you're working hard for that end. You're what to say, working in great haste and speed, okay. uh, your person may be visiting you with gifts, and you are what to say, freely speaking with each other, uh, and you're having a good understanding and knowledge in this relationship. Maybe for some of you all, you feel you're running into haste into this relationship, okay. uh, you want to what to say, move forward at a slow pace, okay, but things are rushing towards you, and you have no control. Maybe you just want to stay away from these things and take your own time, but things are moving so fast, you have no control how things are unfolding, and it is leading to this marriage or engagement, okay. That may also be the energy here. For few of you all, your friends are visiting you, maybe, and you are partying, uh, having what to say, having a good time with them, spending time with them. They are helping you to understand the situation. That may also be the energy here, Pisces. Things are moving in a fast pace, so that is the energy here. But you are on the what to say, you are on the wall. You don't know how to go, whether to this way or that way, okay. So let's pick more cards from another deck. Let's see what is the energy, guys, okay, to give us a better clarity. Let's see what's coming up. Sun, so with these cards, I am having a very positive vibration, guys, towards your relationship. This relationship is meant to be, okay. You have that harmony, balance, contentment, happiness, and intimacy, sincerity in this relationship, okay. So there is no need to be worried. Maybe your person has great ambitions or aspirations to achieve. Maybe because of that they feel this marriage is rushing towards them, okay. They may need time because of that, or you may be having some goals to achieve before marriage. Okay, so that may be the energy. That is why you're feeling quite confused, okay, whether to go in for the wedding or not. But it's a very positive relationship, guys. You don't have to worry whether this new responsibility will burden you, okay, and keep you from achieving your goals. um, these cards show the path to success, guys, in your marriage and in your life. So there is no negativity in these cards, so it's all going to happen for your good, and you can move, I mean, you can decide positively regarding this doubt, okay, whatever you are having. So it just what to say, this is the time to be inspired with optimism and what to say, the success in this relationship, guys. This is a these cards denote that your relationship is on solid ground. There is good understanding and attraction and intimacy in this relationship, so you can take it forward, guys. That is the energy. So in order to overcome the confusion we have, let's take few cards from this angel guidance. Okay, Pisces, let's see what the angels are guiding us to do to overcome this situation, guys. I'll be picking few cards from here, guys. Forgiveness, embrace change, gratitude. Pisces, with these cards, I feel you need to understand and what to say, that life is ever changing, guys. Yesterday is different, today is different, and tomorrow will be different. So we have to live with the change, okay, whatever is taking place. So when we accept the change, we just uh, what to say, release all the blocks we are having in our life, okay, towards the free flowing life, okay, however we are blocking it. So we need to overcome these blocks, guys. We need to accept the fact that every day is different and our life changes every day to the better, guys. And we need to be grateful for the things we have and the people we have in life and what situation we are in today, okay. When we unconditionally accept the things and people in our life, we just open ourselves to what to say, to the beauty of the universe, guys. So when we do that, we just open our heart to more happiness and love, okay. So we should be grateful for the things we have, and we need to forgive ourselves and others, guys, whoever has caused this anxiety or this confusion in you, okay. So you need to forgive yourself and forgive the person, okay, maybe from your past, your ex, or maybe your present person. Maybe you have some minor confusions with them, you may not be sure about them, okay. So you can talk to them, get a clear view of your situation. When you talk freely to them, okay, they will tell the truth. So you will come to a better understanding, guys, and you need to release all those negative feelings. Once you do that, you begin to heal from within, and it will be beneficial in the long run, guys, for both of you all. It will be very much beneficial for both of you all. So that is the energy here, Pisces. That is the reading for you all today. So marriage is in the cards, guys. It is in your hands. whether you want to go in or what to say, postpone this wedding, okay, or engagement, or the serious committed relationship, you're taking it forward, but you are a little bit, what to say, uh, worried about how things are to rushing you towards this wedding, okay. So you're a little bit confused, but there is no need to get confused, guys. This relationship is based on honesty and good understanding, and there are good vibrations in this relationship, so you need not get worried, guys. That is the energy for you all today. Thanks for watching, Pisces. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.